How to add business location on Instagram. Hey guys, let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing two ways. One is to add business address and another is to get the Google Map location. So first of all, head over to Google Maps, choose your location and copy the address. For that, tap on share and copy the link. Now go back to your Instagram account and click on your profile. Also make sure that you have switched back to your professional dashboard or professional account. After that, tap on Edit Profile. Here you will see different options under Public Business Information. There is an option called as Contact option. Tap on it. Here you will see the option of Business Address, which is your business location. Click on it and you have to give the street address, you have to give town and city, as well as postal code. Once you have filled in the data, your business address will be added to your Instagram. This is one step. For the other step, what you can do is click on the tick button. Now click on add link. After that, click on add external link. Give your Google Map location. You can also give the title as location. And after that, you can click on the tick button on the top right corner. Now, if you go back to your profile, you will notice that the Google Map location is also added along with updating your business location. So that's it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.